Hello and welcome to the channel. So in this video we're going to show you how to repair an oil leak on a Vauxhall Corsa 1.4. This could be the engine could be in a Vauxhall Astra, that kind of thing, fitted in a number of vehicles in the range. But in this case we've got an oil leak here, look. And if you look closely you can see the oil on the top of that bolt there. There's an oil leak there, and then there's also one there. Okay, occasionally you'll get a drip of oil on this heat shield, which you can smell in the car when it smokes off the droplet. You can also see some oil residue down there on that pump. Right, so a bit of history. So this car, before we bought it, has had two rocker cover gaskets in a 6-month period, and more lately that was a month ago. However, I can understand why the rocker cover gasket's been changed, but it hasn't resolved the issue. And actually what is happening in reality is the oil is coming up the tube of the rocker cover and out underneath the head seating. So what we're going to try today is we're going to take these bolts out and we're going to seal them inside in an effort to try and stop the oil from coming up the casing. So let's have a look at that. And to carry out the repair we're going to use some of this Hylamar blue, which is really good stuff, oil resistant, and I'll put a link in the description below if you want to go and buy some. By way of tools, you'll need one of these E10 sockets. Now we're going to clean off around the hole and clean off inside the tube there, just to get as much oil out as we can. We're also going to clean up the bolt and the collar that comes with it. Again, cleaning off as much oil as we can. Get as much Hylamar as you can, spread evenly around the tube, and plenty on the bolt and the collar, trying as well to get some in that split, and reinsert the bolt and the tube, push down and torque up. And when it's in and torqued up, give it a good clean round around the blue, clean off all this oil down here, and that one will be done. Just thought I would show you this second bolt. You can clearly see evidence where there's been some push past the collar, so we should be able to get that one sealed up nicely. And if you wish, you could spray some traffic film remover around just to clean the area up a little bit, but that's not really necessary. And there we go. And that's how to cure that kind of oil leak. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Take care.